boys and girls, it's your teacher, Miss Nahad. The title to the book is Amazing Jungle, and the author and the illustrator is Katasha Diaz. So she is the author, that means she wrote the words, and then also the illustrator, that means she took the pictures. So let's see what this jungle is all about. What is a jungle? A jungle has lots of trees and other plants. From above, a jungle looks like a big green sea. So this is the top of the jungle, like you're in an airplane and you're looking at the top part. A jungle is a special place, a special and mysterious place. It is home to many strange and beautiful plants and animals. Come along as we explore the jungle with our eyes. So look at the beautiful birds that live in the jungle. A jungle is like an apartment building. An apartment building with different neighbors living on each floor. Some plants and animals live on the ground floor on the bottom. Some live in the middle and some live in the top floor. So here we are. Some people live on the very top, the canopy. Some people live in the understory, and some people live on the forest floor, on the very bottom, the middle, and then the top. A jungle has layers. Different plants and animals live in each layer. So there's the jungle, the canopy is on top, the understory is in the middle, and the jungle floor is on the bottom. The canopy, that's the top part. The jungle is wet and warm year-round. It is a good place for plants to grow. Tall trees go close together. Their leafy tops form a giant canopy, like an umbrella over the forest floor. Plants live in the canopy because it gets lots of sun. So the very top is where all the sun hits the top of the trees. So some animals and plants live way on top on the canopy. When it rains, the leaves of some of the air plants act like cups to catch the rainwater. Then the leaves become little swimming pools for frogs and salamanders. And here's some of the pictures of the air plants, the little salamander, and another picture of an air plant. Many animals live in the canopy because food is easy to find there. Ooh. See the berries and the beautiful plants. Monkeys make their homes there. Monkeys eat the leaves, flowers, nuts, and fruits that grow high up in the trees. There is so much to eat in the treetops that some monkeys never set foot on the ground. Wow. So look at the monkeys living high up there. These monkeys use their long arms and tails to swing from one tree branch to another. I think branch was one of our vocabulary words. One of the slowest animals in the world is a sloth. A sloth spends most of its time hanging upside down in the tree. It even sleeps upside down. Wow. If a sloth does come down to the ground, it cannot walk on its feet. It must move by dragging itself with its hands. That's why it's so slow, a sloth. And there's a picture of the sloth. So it sleeps hanging down, upside down. I guess it eats hanging upside down. Very weird. The understory, beneath the leafy treetops of the canopy is the next layer of the jungle. This is the understory. This part of the jungle is darker than the canopy because it does not get that much sunlight. So this is kind of the middle part. But it is still a good place for plants and animals to live. Different kinds of vines grow in the understory of the jungle. So those things where you can hang on, look like plants, are called vines. So you see those in the jungle. Now the next part, so we did the top part of the jungle, the middle part, and now the bottom part. Let's see. Snakes, bats, and owls are some of the animals that live in the understory. A boa constrictor, which is a big snake, is a large snake that spends much of its time in the trees. Boas hang from the tree branches, waiting for food to come by. They will eat any animal that fits in their mouth, including bats and birds. Ooh, I don't think I want to meet one of these boa constrictors. And look at that fruit bat. Hey, I want to drink your blood. So no, no, no. And now on the floor of the jungle. The forest floor is the bottom layer of the jungle. This part of the jungle is dark and moist. Remember our vocabulary word moist. Only plants that need very little sunlight can grow there, but it is the perfect place for some insects to live. Look at some walking stick. A walking stick is a kind of insect that lives on the forest floor. So there's not too much sun that gets all the way through to the bottom of the jungle floor. Look at these little Bengal tigers. Large animals such as Bengal tigers also roam the jungle at night. These big cats have excellent vision, which helps them hunt their food in the dark. They are excellent swimmers and excellent climbers. Oh, how cute. Look at those Bengal tigers. So they live in the jungle. Pygmy hippopotamuses is a large-looking creature. It has a huge body and a small head. The hippos also live in the jungle. And then, why is the jungle special? A jungle is home to many strange and beautiful plants and animals. Some can't be found anywhere else on Earth. A jungle is an amazing place. So you can find a green frog with red eyes, beautiful toucans, butterflies, parrots. Look at all the different kinds of birds. And that is what the jungle is about. So we will be learning more about the jungle, and maybe you can draw me a picture of what was your favorite jungle animal. Okay, teacher loves you. See you soon. Bye.